you're looking for inexpensive ways to reward your kids at Pathfinders, I just came up with a great place for you to get stuff. Keep watching. So I finally did what everybody else has been doing, and I ordered stuff from Temu. So hang tight and I'll show you what I got. I can't even honestly remember everything I bought, so. Yep, it's like, there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm trying not to cut anything. Number 1, stickers, 1 to 100. I'm gonna use these in my classroom. Ooh, I also got these. These are gonna be prizes in my classroom too. They're like little squishy guys. All kinds of little squishy guys. Ooh, I got this sweater. I'm super excited about it. It says made in the 80s, and it's rainbow bright. These are stickers and they're shoes. Like, there are a whole bunch of different shoes. I'm gonna have those as prizes in my classroom. This is a little cord organizer for my classroom. It helps you keep cords in place. This is those everlasting pencils, but they're colored pencils. So, like, all the tips are actually what color the pen is. And this is little eraser dudes. Erasers. These are Poppet keychains. Also prizes for my classroom. This is a flower pillow. This is, I don't know. Oh, markers. This is taped to the package. It's a cute little sweater too. It says silly goose. Oh, I got this clock. And then I got this rolling cart for my classroom. I don't have to assemble it, so that's all. There's a lot of great stuff here. I could see a lot of potential for you to use this for Pathfinders, like for prizes and stuff and whatever. So let me know if you've got anything off Temu.